how to fix lag on any Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings page on your phone, and then all what you have to do is go to the apps and then click on apps. And now all what you have to do is wait a few seconds until it show you all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down and choose, for example, any app. I'm gonna choose, let's say, Google Drive. Click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache. And after you do this, you will be free in app more than 200 megabyte of space. And let's do the same thing with all the apps that you have on your phone. For example, TikTok. Click on storage and click on clear data. As you can see, if I click it here, I'm gonna be free in app more than 2 gigabyte, as you can see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.